All right. So when we go with most recently joined, we started getting all the freshers. Twenty 2021, 2021, 2021, 2021, 2021, 2021. Great. So yeah, now at least now we know how to sort with most recently joined or least recently joined while giving that particular experience ranges. Let's say now I want something who has created something before 2015. Okay, now as you're asking, can I have an option of people between 15 to 18? So directly we'll try, but otherwise indirectly, if I want to see, again, I'll go for most recently or least recently. So if I go for most recently, I'll start getting a list of profiles who would in a order of 2015 to 2016 to 2017 to 2018. If I go for least recently, I'll start getting in a order of uh, uh, 20 sorry wrong example. If I start, if we sort by we give someone who has created something before 2015. So when we go for, in that case, most recently joined, then it would go for 2015 to 2014 to 2013 to 2012 to 2011, in that order. Similarly, when I go, someone created something before 2015 and sort with least recently joined, then the order will start with 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. And again, in India, I see a great number of developers started using GitHub since 2008 and 9, not before that. Okay, now we have given most recently joined, someone something created um, before 2015. These are previous results. Let me close this. Most recently joined, someone who has created before 2015. All right. Joined 14 days ago, joined 17 days ago. Okay, here also I have person joined 14 days ago. Then how did I created something before 2015? Not possible. First repository, created the first repository June 2nd. No, this should not be the case. If I say least recently joined, then it's not giving least. Someone before 2015, sorry, after 2015. Why it is giving? Oh, got it. We did not change before and after. This is after 2015. Let's change it to before 2015. Okay, now we go with most recently joined. Now the order would be 2015, 2014, 2013. Someone who has joined 2015, someone who has joined 2016, someone who has joined 2015. Let's say page 40 will go directly. P is equal to, just try to see a URL pattern as always we see in our sessions, and wherever is like P equal to 40 or page equal to 40 like that, we can directly jump into that page instead of going one by one like it came to directly a 40th page. So here we had most recently joined, someone who has created something before 2015. Location Java and language, this thing. Yeah, 2015, 2015, 2015, and these are from 50th page, 2016, 2015, 2015, 2015. Similarly, now we give someone who has created something before 2015 and least recently joined. Now the order would be reverse. This is company account. Though person has mentioned someone who has created something before 2015 based out of Chennai and is working on a Java, and filter is with least recently joined. Now if you see 2008, as I mentioned, in 2008 or something, that time people started using 2008. The order has reversed. Earlier, in most recently joined, order was we're getting a list of candidates who would have joined in 2015. Then after that, list of candidates who would have joined in 2014. Then list of candidates who would have joined in 2013. Now, in other way, least recently joined, we started getting first these three candidates in 2008. Then one moved to 2009. So mix of it, 2008 or 9, 2009, then 2009, then 2009. Let me jump on pages. So let's say we'll go to 5th page.
Shiva, I have a question here.
Hmm.
Can we look for full stack developers or something like that on GitHub directly?
Yeah. You just need to change the skill, maybe a React or JavaScript like that. So I might not be able to add multiple skills, but yeah, one by one. So yeah, if you see, the order is changing from 8, from 9, then 10, then 11. So like that. Let me jump to some of the 50th page. So this might be somewhere in between 2013 or something like that. Between 2008, 100 pages. How many results we have? 1300 result per page, 10 result. So I'll have 130 pages to view. So if I want someone in between uh, 2013 and 2014, maybe a 50th page or somewhere between 50 to 70s, 50 to 80s. Let's see, we are on a 50th page. Least recently joined, yeah, 2013. Yeah, 2013. Yeah, 2013, 2013, 2013. Super. Similarly, if I go to 70th page, I might get somewhere people who joined in 2014. 70. So let me close this.
Shiv, I perform the same search, but in the URL, I'm not getting to see that p is equal to. Jumping to page number directly.
Are you logged in?
Yeah, I am.
Can you take over your
Can
screen?
you take over your screen? Yeah, sure.
Let me just stop sharing. Am I not sharing? I'm sharing, right?
Yes, your screen is still visible. You will have to stop sharing.
Will I stop? Yeah, you can.
Okay, 1 second.
You would not see on a first page. You have to go to at least second page to view that.
You're able to see my screen, right?
Not yet. It's still blank. Okay, yeah. So yeah, go to second page. Now you can see P equal to.
Oh, okay, okay.
In first page, that widget is not available. In from second page, we can see that.
Okay, got it, got it.
Now you
I'm
can see,
stopping my
yeah,
screen sharing.
P equal to whatever you do, it will be visible.
Got it. I start screen sharing. You can take over.
Sure. And that would be available from the second page. Okay, so
Got it.
now we are on the 70th page to see in case if I'm getting it from 2004. Yeah, 2014, 2014, 2014, 2014. Yeah, a bit of common sense, I would say, how we can use it. This filters, someone who has created something before 2015 and trying to understand, like it gives in one page 10 results. So 1340 would consume how many results divided by 10, 134 pages. So I may not be able to go for 134 pages. Maximum it allows me to go to 100 page. But when we are sorting with least recently joined, it started with 2008. Then we have to do some our maths and try to understand where that 2013 profiles would come, or where that 2010 profiles would come, or where that 2011 profiles would come based on the ordering when we gave a least recently joined. And that's where we were able to make it out in 50th of pages, we might get the profiles of 2015 and maybe some 100, 200 profile from 2015, again 100, 200 profile from 2017. Sorry, 100, 200 from 2013. And again, by the time we come to 70th page, we started getting 14 page result. And by the time we come to maybe 90th page, we start getting 2050. So let me just go for 90th page now. And when we do the same thing with most recently joined, then the ordering is 2015 and reverse 2015, 2014, 2013, 2016 and all. And that's how we can order it, sort it, and maybe we can use it for the script. So now we are on 90th page. Yeah, we started getting people who joined in 2015. All right. So I'll just take a pause. Any questions still here? Simple. We have not done anything. We just came to home page. We gave some search. We went to advanced search. After going to advanced search, we saw the search tab.
Shiv, I have a question here.
Mm-hmm.
You have been browsing through these pages from 2015, 16, 17. So what is the use of this? Either we can count it in the years of experience or like how it is.
Years of experience. Someone asked me how we can give the years of experience over here. So maybe we do not
Any
have a direct.
specific?
Yeah.
Right. Sorry. So my question is like any specific part in which suppose there is an intern who has been making his repository since 2012 and he finished his engineering in 2000 and
That's a possibility.
15,
That's
right?
definitely a possibility.
Yeah, because most of these youngsters, what they have been doing, they are very much active on GitHub these days.
Yeah.
So
So
any remedy for that?
these days, definitely there's a possibility. But before 2018, 2016, if you see now, the possibility is relevantly
Very
less.
low. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Correct.
Now the
All
trend
right.
has completely gone into the next level, and these changes will be happening very drastically. The next generation of 5 years, you will
Yeah.
not even imagine. BTech first year or 10th class guy
Exactly.
also will have a GitHub profile.
Right, right. Perfect.
Okay,
All right.
definitely
Thank
I'm
you.
counting on next 5 years that 10th class candidates would have a BTech profiles. Sorry, GitHub profiles.
All right. All right.
That's gonna be
Shiv,
very soon. Yeah.
I have again a very quick question here. I have been using without logging in GitHub. I have been using OctoHunt.
Yeah, we'll come
So
to that.
how good is that? Like,
Yeah, we'll come to that.
okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. So myself, you asked some question. Is it possible to search in a different location, different countries at once? Okay. So definitely different location in different countries is possible. Can you please give us what kind of a location you want?
Hi, Shiv. Well, I have another question too because I'm from Costa Rica and
Okay.
it's a composed name, two words for a country, but also have to search for different countries. I don't have on a specific right now. You can use any location you like, but I have also that question too. How to do do it with different countries, and if the country have is a composed name with two words.
No, that's completely fine. In fact, whatever the location we want, we can definitely go. So maybe I'll just come here and maybe location. We can just give Canada. So we have a list of profiles again from the Canada. So we can search across the globe. So that limitation is not there.
Okay, but you can search for maybe Canada and Costa Rica.
Okay,
or Canada and
so you want to search within two locations, you mean to say?
yes.
Okay, at a time, two
It is
location we cannot
possible.
search. No, at a time, two location we cannot search. We can go one by one.
Okay, that was my question.
No,
Thank you so
we can
much.
go one by one. Like Canada, we give. Now let's suppose if I want to go for Zurich. So we have it from Zurich. Or if I want to go for Sweden, we have it from Sweden. So location over here, location colon Sweden. Let's see in case if that works. I'll just say
Can we
use
use Boolean there? Oh, you have tried that only.
location Canada. Okay, I'm not using any brackets. Let's see first without brackets. No, it did not. So let me use it within brackets. No, it did not. So let me say
Shiv, after
Shiv, there
L,
was
bracket.
typo.
Starting after L, you have used a bracket.
oh sorry. Okay, location Sweden or location Canada. No. Let's see if this understands or no. So let me remove bracket. No. So let us not use or also, just location Sweden, location Canada. Yes, maybe syntax of what we say GitHub is might be a different. So it does not understand or, but whatever we give location colon Sweden space location colon Canada, we have a results from both the location. Let's say if I remove location Sweden, so 6,399.
Shiv, without giving this location operator, I just typed Sweden space or space Canada. Even then it is fetching some results.
6,000, yeah, will come 6,300 minus 4,111. 4,111 that is 2288. This should be in a Sweden now in that case, if it is taking from both the location. Super. Yeah. Accurately. 2288, 2288. Yeah, we can give that location Sweden and location Canada. And as you're saying, Amit, was that you?
Yes.
Satish, I've just put something in the chat box. Would you please put it in the paste in the search bar?
Okay, Sweden or Canada. Language Java created. Let's come here. So it's giving us repositories.
Okay.
It's not giving us a user profile. Let's go for advanced. So Sweden Java language created. So
Here I got users only.
location option is here. Let's see. Let's say now location user option is here. Sweden, Canada. How does this take location Sweden, Canada within colon? If I'm using a direct algorithm, this is understanding like this. But if I'm using indirect algorithm, where we just go and just search, it doesn't give.
Actually, OR operator is working. Yeah.
Location Sweden. Location Canada. So this is again GitHub search bar is again sometimes is a placement specific. When I say placement specific, if you see language Java created so and so, location Sweden, location Canada, we got from both the location. Similarly, location Sweden, and again location colon CANADA Canada. So here we have 6399. Here we have slightly lesser results, but that's completely fine. So to answer your question, or not really sure if it works, do you have an example of it in which searches it's working? Which should show individual profiles, not repositories. Like if this is Sweden or Canada and the language and created, this is definitely giving us a result, but it's giving related to repositories. So there are 213 repositories and these languages, let's say Java. So these are again repositories. It's not, so whatever we search over here, though that gives the result, but I'll come to that to discuss in detail. It's
Yeah,
not
Shiv,
right.
if we click to the, sorry to interrupt, if we click to the user, that one, it shows like 207. So will that show some user profile over there?
Though it's showing us
This is
user
what I was saying.
profiles, got it. Though it's showing us user profiles, but if you see the difference between these searches, which has 6,396 users, and these searches, which has only 207 users, there's a huge
So basically, Shiv, without using the location
Yeah,
operator also, we are still getting results. I just wanted to
No,
explore that.
no. I'll tell you why it is. It's not the right time. That's the reason I told you. Let me come back on that. Why it is coming. Okay. Hello.
Sure,
yeah,
Shiv.
sure. No issues. Yeah.
Let me come back on that. Why it is coming. Okay. So first thing, location, language Java created, and then location Sweden, colon, location colon Sweden, space, location Canada. So now we have full proof that it's giving us from both the locations. All right. Now let's say we'll add whatever the words you added Sweden or Canada in this search over here. Okay. So this is basically taking it as a keyword. It's not taking it as a location. It's taking it as a keyword. So whatever the candidates, let's say this candidate, he would have mentioned something over here in the profile as a text. That is a keyword part of it. Okay, now let me just show you a few more examples. These are all the candidates, though these are the users we're getting from that particular location, but they have mentioned that particular keywords in the, means they have mentioned that particular text in the particular title or particular text format wherever GitHub was allowing them. Something like if I view my own profile, something like this, talent sourcer at Twilio, I've mentioned it by myself. That's the reason that particular thing is coming. Now I'll just go here. Now let's say I want SDE or full stack or developer or maybe front end or front end. Okay, now we have those profiles who would have mentioned that front end, full stack or SDE like that in their titles. So it's not taking from that command, this Sweden or Canada. This basically is not a command for the location. For the location, it's still location colon. This is how it is, location colon, whatever the location we have given. All right, this is the one and this is the one. All right, so Sweden or Canada over here, though it's giving us a profile from Sweden and Canada, only because of the reason these candidates would have mentioned something related to their working in Sweden or doing a job in Sweden or some kind of a text like that in the text version wherever it was available. Like if I go to my own profile and edit profile, so here is a text version of it where I have to mention something. Okay, so these people in the text version of it, they would have mentioned some of the other text over here. And from here to here, there is a link. And those searches, whatever we give location, is basically taking it from the user database of location, created, taking from the user database of created, language, taking it from the user database of language, but wherein additional SDE or full stack or developer or front end is basically taking it from this part. It's not taking it from location from this part or the language from particularly these parts, whatever the languages I've been mentioning over here or I've been coding on it. It won't be taking it from that unless we give the command to GitHub, language so and so, location so and so, and then additional keywords so and so. Now if you see additional keywords SDE or full stack or developer or front end or front hyphen end. So sometimes it works with brackets, sometimes it doesn't. Let me just see in case if bracket works here. SDE or full stack or front end. Yeah, this works. So another example of it. We'll just take this part. Architect. Architect.
Here we have given location Sweden and location Canada, right? So it is fetching us profiles
From both the locations.
of people, both the locations.
Both the location. No need of or location Sweden, location Canada, from both the location. And we have done the maths after giving both the location. How many we got here? 6399. Let's say I'll do that maths again for you. Give me a moment. Okay, architect or architecture, or let's say we might get disconnected in next 10 minutes, so please re-log in. I'll just give engineering. It might fetch engineering manager, engineering head, or anything related to engineering, or technical, or maybe director or head. Your manager. All right. So when we give a direct search with two location, GitHub did not understood. But when we give location and location, this is again taking it from my own profile. Let me just come home. $139 users from Sweden or Canada who are either a director or would have written something engineering or something head or something director or something engineering manager. Now let's see if it understands that double quotes. Let's say architect or engineering manager. It do not understand double quotes. Let me remove bracket. If removing bracket would help me. Yeah, removing bracket would help me. It's giving us engineering managers or architects. So when we are building a searches on GitHub, it's pretty much evident that, what is this? Has anyone experienced a call from +91 and only 4 numbers, 1921?
Yeah.
What is it?
This call is from Union Ministry of Health and Family.
Oh, this is related to COVID feedback. Fine. After the vaccination. All right. So yeah, coming back to the topic, architect or architecture or engineering manager. So now we've seen when we gave with the bracket, it did not give any result, same search. But when we remove the bracket, it did give us the results. And then that's where it understood that double quotes. So same
Shiv,
search.
I have
Yeah,
sorry to interrupt you.
no problem.
Shiv, I have a question here. In case we can change it to instead of 30th 12 2015, if we can make it to 2012, then maybe the case we will get more possible results, because for engineering director and something we need
Not
experience
required,
level
in
of higher.
fact. This is for particularly not in fact required.
Okay, all right, okay.
Because anyway, we are targeting architect or engineering manager or engineering head. So we can do that before or after.
I need to check the relevance only. That's it. Perfect. Makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah, sure.
So yeah, if you see now, when I'm using double quotes with the combination of those brackets, it's not working for us. But when we remove brackets, what went wrong? Architecture. Okay, this is left over. This bracket is left over. One small
We need to correct the spelling as well.
Yeah, now we got it. Architect, where is engineering manager? It should read it. Let me see if there is a mistake in this. Manager spelling is wrong. MANAGER. So for architect, we got how many? 96. Now 104. Let's say if I have to do maths, 104 minus 96, what it would be? 8. So only 8 engineering manager. Let me just keep only engineering manager and see. Yeah, absolutely. Only 8 engineering managers. Amazing. So yeah, whatever the titles, as I mentioned, they would have written in the text part over here, as I shown my own profile. Whatever the title in my text part, I would have written over here. Those keywords can be fetched without any operators uh, asking for it, like location colon, which is again an operator for GitHub. Uh, then language colon, which is again an operator for GitHub. Created colon, which is again a operator for GitHub. Those are the GitHub operator. But additionally, if I want to search for additional keywords like a full stack or UI engineer or UI developer or software engineer or software developer, engineering manager, engineering head, architecture, or software development engineer. So don't get confused with the operators of LinkedIn, with the operators of Google, with the operators of GitHub. Every platform has their own operators. So if you see software development engineer as it is within the codes we have given, without using anything else, just software development engineer as it is. And we got software development engineers as it is. From Canada, we have some 3 candidates. And this title is widely used across Amazon. So I just use this title. Or similarly, I would say, or sweet. Yeah, or I would say similarly, people would have written at Google, at Amazon, at Microsoft, Google or Amazon or AWS or MIC, Microsoft or Twitter. Okay. So maybe I've crossed the limit. Google or Amazon or AWS or Twitter or LinkedIn. Let me short it till AWS. Yeah. AWS, Google, 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 Google. I'll just take a pause. Any doubts, any confusion?
Yes, see, what is all about the math? You did something, right?
Okay, this one or this one or this one. Let's come back again. Let's go back to home. So I was telling about the maths, something on this part. Location Sweden or location Canada. Okay, let's say only this part will do. Location Canada, location Sweden, language Java, created. Only this much. So the maths, what I was telling, to understand whether this is correct or not, whether it is fetching it from the 2 different location or not. So we have overall location Sweden, location Canada, 6399 results. So let's say 6399 minus. So I would say now I would remove Canada.